I used to think chiropractic care was just a series of loud cracks and quick adjustments. Honestly, it sounded a bit intimidating at first. But after walking into Chiro One here in the Gold Coast, my perspective completely shifted. I learned that it's not a one-size-fits-all approach. There are so many gentle, specialized techniques designed specifically for how your body moves and heals. Whether it's targeted spinal work or soft tissue therapy, it's all about finding what actually helps you feel better.